Want jaw-dropping aerial shots in 2025? We've tested the top camera drone so you can capture stunning footage like a pro. Stick around to see which drone truly rules the skies. Hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment which one is the best for you. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. DJI offers 3 Mavic 3 versions: Standard, Cine, and the more affordable Classic. The Classic drops the telephoto camera, making it ideal for most enthusiasts while keeping costs lower. It features a 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor, 24mm equivalent focal length, and 8GB onboard storage, expandable via microSD. Folding arms make it compact and easy to carry, while powerful motors keep it stable even in strong winds. Flying is simple manually, and DJI's intelligent flight modes make complex shots accessible to beginners and pros alike. For most users, it strikes a perfect balance of performance, portability, and price. Number 2. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. A major upgrade over the Mavic 3 Pro, the Mavic 4 Pro features 3 cameras, a 100-megapixel quad-Bayer Hasselblad sensor, and a 360-degree rotating infinity gimbal. Weighing 1,063 grams, it requires an A2 certificate of competency to fly near populated areas. Its larger body adds stability in wind, faster flight, and omnidirectional obstacle detection. A bigger battery offers up to 51 minutes of flight time. The infinity gimbal enables dynamic video and true portrait orientation shots. The main 28mm camera captures 25-megapixel stills, expandable to 100 megapixels, while 2 telephoto lenses at 70mm and 168mm add versatility. Video records in 6K up to 120 frames per second, with 10-bit D-Log, D-Log-M, and HLG support. Folding arms and automated modes make it portable and easy to fly. Number 3. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Weighing under 249 grams, the Mini 4 Pro is regulation-friendly, letting you fly in residential and recreational areas, even over people with the proper certifications. Its 12/48-megapixel 1.3-inch CMOS sensor delivers better stills and video than the Mini 3, with quad-Bayer tech allowing 12-megapixel or enhanced 24-megapixel shots. Flight time reaches 34 minutes, with full HD 60 frames per second video and slow-mo at 200 frames per second. Updated omnidirectional obstacle avoidance helps it navigate under branches and bridges. While it can drift in the breeze, image and video quality are impressively strong for such a compact, lightweight drone. Number 4. DJI Air 3. The Air 3 sits between the Mini and Mavic series, a perfect step up for more advanced aerial photography. It features dual 48-megapixel cameras, a wide-angle and a 70mm mid-telephoto, mounted on a 3-axis gimbal for excellent stabilization. Images can be captured at full 48 megapixels or downsampled to 12 megapixels for easy sharing. Video supports 4K 10-bit up to 100 frames per second with D-Log for grading and a vertical crop for social media. Pricier than the Mini 3 Pro, but the Air 3's telephoto camera and versatile shooting options make it highly capable for serious hobbyists or aspiring filmmakers. Number 5. DJI Neo. Drones don't have to break the bank. The DJI Neo proves it. At $199 or 169 pounds without a controller, it's DJI's most affordable drone yet. Despite the low price, it delivers solid 12-megapixel stills and 4K 30p video. Intelligent autoflight features like follow, circle, rocket, and spotlight make dynamic shots easy. Small and lightweight, it's portable, though battery life is short and storage is 22 gigabytes internal only. Low light performance is limited, but for beginners, the Neo is surprisingly capable. So the winner? DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Amazing camera quality, smart features, and unbeatable flight performance. If you want the ultimate drone for epic shots, this one takes the crown.